Hello, welcome to my tutorial. I'm going to teach you how to make a portal in Gamemaker. So the first step is to create a sprite so you can actually see your portal in the game. Here I'm just going to name it Portal SPR. SPR is short for sprite. I'm going to put it centered in the middle. Just going to set that to 60 for FPS. And of course, the most important part, I'm going to create the object, name it Portal Object. Then I'm going to connect that object to its own sprite. I'm actually going to add in a little image for the portal. Let's just say it looks like this. That's the portal. Don't need to go to FR and that. And I'm going to add it to the room real quick. So I'm just going to add it right here. Okay, now to actually code in the functionality. So we're going to check if portal is colliding with a player. So I'm going to create a step event. So if place meeting XY with player object, we're going to want to move the player to another location. So to do that, we're going to have to create an exit portal. So we're going to create another sprite. We're going to name it portal to SPR. I'm going to edit it. Instead of being pink, I'm actually going to make it orange. So that's where we're going to leave. Make some little adjustments here. And I'm going to code in an object real quick. Alright, now that I've coded an object, I'm going to go back to this portal 1. And if the portal is meeting the player, which means if they're on top of each other, if the player touches the portal, then I'm going to make the player teleport to this secondary portal. And it's important to set this to middle center. So to do that, I'm going to make it so that player obj.x equals portal to obj.x. And then I'm going to do the same thing as this, but I'm going to set it to .y. So this way, it is going to take the x position of the player object. It's going to set it to the x position of this object, and that's going to do the same thing with the y. So it's going to have the same x and y as this one. It's going to be teleported. So now I'm going to test that. Okay, so it's going to go from pink to orange, and I haven't coded anything to make it so you can go from orange to pink. And there.